Hi, Cody Hall with Listen Technologies, product manager of the Listen Everywhere product line. Today, we are going to review the Private Channels feature on Listen Everywhere. A private channel is a password protected channel, allowing confidential audio to be encrypted and sent to the mobile phones and devices. Authorized users must input that password when using the app, allowing access to a confidential audio stream. If you have decided you want to set channels as private at your venue, this can easily be done using the Listen Everywhere mobile app admin mode. The admin mode provides a convenient method to manage channel passwords, especially for those who want to change the password on a regular basis to ensure strict confidentiality. Let's take a look at the mobile app. Once your phone is on the venue's Wi-Fi network, go ahead and launch the app. Your phone will discover and display the audio channels at your venue. You can see here that I have 2 audio channels available. We are going to set the Cutting Edge Pavilion audio channel to private. To do this, we will need the admin mode. Simply click on the menu drop-down in the upper left, navigate to Settings, and enable admin mode. You will be prompted for an admin passcode to access. The admin passcode is found by logging into your Cloud Services account and navigating to the Venue, Servers, and Labels page. It is a 4-digit alphanumeric code. This passcode is also printed on the Listen Everywhere server product label located on the bottom of your device. If you do not have access to the passcode, please contact your system administrator for access. Let's go ahead and input the passcode. The app will now indicate at the top of the screen that we are in admin mode. Now, to set a private channel, navigate to Audio using the menu, and this will take us back to the audio channels. From here, we can simply click on any channel and set it to private. A pop-up window appears allowing us to set channel as private. Upon selection, we are prompted to program the password for this channel. This can be any combination of letters, numbers, or special characters. We are going to use password 123. Repeat this process for additional channels as desired. You can program any combination of public or private channels with the same or different passwords for each channel. You will want to write down or document all channel passwords in order to communicate them to authorized listeners. The passwords can be communicated to your listeners verbally by displaying in-room signage, sending a text message or email, or whatever your preference may be. If you happen to forget your channel password, don't worry, it can always be reset in the admin mode. Once you have set up all the channels as desired, you can exit the admin mode by navigating back to the Settings menu to disable. You will notice the admin mode indication will disappear from the top of the screen. So now that we have set up a private channel, let us look at what a regular user experience would be. As you can see, our private channel has a padlock icon indicating a password-protected confidential channel. When one of these private channels is selected, the app will prompt the user to input the password. Assuming they have been given the password and enter it correctly, they will be immediately granted access to that channel. They will not be prompted for that channel's password again for any future sessions unless the password was changed. Any public channel can simply be clicked on and the audio will begin streaming without restriction. At any time, a venue administrator can change the private channel password easily by going back into the admin mode. Simply click on the channel you wish to change the password for, select Change Password, and specify your new password. It's that easy. I hope you found this video helpful. You should now know how to set up, use, and manage private channels at your venue. If you have any questions or need assistance, please do not hesitate to contact our technical services team. They are standing by and ready to help. Thanks for watching.